Hey friends, it's Aaron, back again with another video looking at new displays. This time we're taking a look at a little 3-inch full color IPS TFT. It has a capacitive touchscreen, and even with the backlight it's only 3.3 volt input. If that sounds cool to you, stay tuned.
We have a display for that.
We'll be making 3 versions of this module: the display by itself, another integrated with an Eve processor, and then a complete Eve development kit designed to speed up your prototyping. The standalone display supports 8, 9, 16, and 18-bit parallel, 16 and 18-bit RGB with SPI initialization, and 3 or 4 wire SPI, so there's tons of ways to hook it up. We also carry the 45-pin ZIF connector and the 8-position ZIF connector for the touchscreen. This display is IPS, meaning you can see it from every direction, up to about 80 degrees. It offers a standard brightness level at about 400 nits with a white LED backlight. If you purchase the Eve version of this display, you'll get the display mounted on a PCB powered by an Eve FT811. The Eve offers a faster and easier way to get up and running with this display, including complete graphical libraries, and it also simplifies wiring by using a straightforward quad SPI interface. We also offer an Eve development kit, which has all the jumper wires, breakout board, and a Arduino 4.2 running our demo code, which is a great start to your prototyping. Let us know in the comments what type of device you think this would be a good interface for. As always, there's links in the description to all the modules I spoke of. There you'll find product pricing, datasheets, 3D models, demo code, and everything you need to start working with these displays. If you have any questions or some positive feedback, please post it below. Thank you for watching, and have an awesome day.
We have a display for that.